Okay guys, so I have some saltfish here boiling. What I did is last night I rinsed out the excess salt and I left it soaking in water overnight. I then threw out that water, put fresh water in, and now I'm boiling my saltfish, right? So what we're going to be doing is making some saltfish with tomato from my garden, and some cabbage. I'm going to cut up more cabbage after this. Here I have some onion, and here I have some chive or spring onions. Okay, you can use either one. So let's get to cutting up this tomato. Okay guys, so now that our fish is finished boiling, we're now going to shred it and debone the fish. So guys, taking all the bones from this is where the challenge is. Having to take out all the bones from the fish. That's where the work is. Right? So you kind of have to use your finger and feel for the smaller bones and just take it out, and then you shred the saltfish. Right, so let me get to doing that and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I have finished deboning and shredding up my saltfish. Okay guys, so I'm here in the garden to get some herbs for my saltfish. So let's pick some bush basil here. Okay, I'm going to put some bush basil in. Alright, so we have our bush basil. You know what? I could probably put some big leaf thyme in it. So let's get... Actually, you know what? I think I'll put some pak choy too in it. So let's pick some pak choy. And put some pak choy in it. You know what I'll also put, guys? I have some purslane here. I will pick this and we'll put some purslane in as well. I didn't get the root. Anyway, we're going to put some purslane in it. Alright, so let's get some big leaf thyme now. Take some big leaf thyme leaves as well. Let's take out these from the bottom here. Right, so we're going to cut this up as well. And I think that's it. That's it for herbs for our saltfish. Okay guys, so this is what I harvested. And this is what we're going to add to our saltfish with cabbage and tomatoes as well. So I have everything here cut up that I would need for my saltfish with cabbage and tomatoes. So obviously, we have tomatoes, we have our cabbage. I added some pak choy from the garden, some chive, some purslane. I have some bush basil here, some big leaf thyme, and we have some onion cut up here as well. In here, I have ginger and garlic, and of course, we can't have saltfish without the saltfish. So we have our shredded and deboned saltfish here. Right, so I'm going to add some coconut oil. Let's fry up the onion and the other seasonings. Now, if I had seasoning pepper, I would have added seasoning pepper to this. My ginger and garlic paste. And I'm going to add a little more of that paste. So now I'm going to add the cabbage, so it can wilt down, and the other greens. And of course the tomato. I think my pot is a little too small. I should use my other pot. I'm hoping that when it wilts down, I'll have the space to add the saltfish. All right, so what I'm going to do to help this to wilt down, I'm just going to cover it. Okay guys, so as you can see, it has wilted down a bit. So I'm going to add the saltfish to this now and just combine everything together. All right, so let's just stir this together. And what I'm also going to add to this is some Mrs. Dash garlic and herb season blend. And I think I'll probably add a pinch of cayenne pepper. Add a little bit of this. What I'll also do is add a little bit of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil to it as well.